kids, ready for a quick fun quiz? Shout out your answers and see how many you get right. Let's go!
What color is a banana when it's ripe? Is it A, blue, B, yellow, C, red? Answer B, yellow. Which animal says moo? Is it A, dog, B, cow, C, cat? Answer B, cow. Which animal has a long trunk? Is it A, elephant, B, giraffe, C, lion? Answer A, elephant. What planet do we live on? Is it A, Mars, B, Earth, C, Jupiter? Answer B, Earth. Which of these animals can fly? Is it A, penguin, B, butterfly, C, turtle? The answer is B, butterfly. Which of these is not a fruit? Is it A, apple, B, carrot, C, banana? The answer is B, carrot. What do bees make? Is it A, chocolate, B, honey, C, bread? The answer is B, honey. Which shape has three sides? Is it A, square, B, circle, C, triangle? The answer is C, triangle. Which is the fastest land animal? Is it A, cheetah, B, turtle, C, elephant? The answer is A, cheetah. What do caterpillars turn into? Is it A, frogs, B, butterflies, C, snakes? The answer is B, butterflies. Great job, superstars! You did amazing on today's quiz. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.